Have you ever used ChatGPT and received a poor response? The problem may not be the AI. The problem may be the prompt. A small change in your prompt can produce a much better result. Today I will show you how to write better prompts using 10 simple and practical examples. Hello everyone and welcome to Riaz Academy. In our previous video, we learned what prompt engineering is. Today, we will learn how to apply it in real life. Remember, better prompts often produce better results. Let us begin. Tip number 1. Be specific. Instead of writing, tell me about AI, write, explain artificial intelligence to a beginner in simple language. Specific prompts usually produce better answers. Tip number 2. Define the audience. Instead of writing, explain photosynthesis. Write, explain photosynthesis to a 12-year-old student. This helps AI adjust explanation. Tip number 3. Instead of writing, tell me about climate change. Write, explain the climate change in 5 bullet points. The format becomes clearer. Tip number 4. Specify length. Instead of writing, write about machine learning. Write, write a 100-word introduction to machine learning. Length matters. Tip number 5. Ask for examples. Instead of writing, explain machine learning. Write, explain machine learning with 2 real-life examples. Examples improve understanding. Tip number 6. Assign a role. You can tell AI who it should act as. For example, act as an English teacher and explain grammar mistakes in this paragraph. This often improves the quality of response. Tip number 7. Ask for step by step guidance. Instead of writing, how do I learn AI? Write, give me a step by step plan to learn AI as a beginner. This produces a more organized answer. Tip number 8. Provide context. The more context you provide, the better. For example, I am a school teacher. Suggest simple ways to use AI in classroom teaching. Context helps AI understand your situation. Tip number 9. Request improvements. AI can improve existing content. For example, improve this paragraph and make it more professional. This is very useful for writing tasks. Tip number 10. Ask follow up questions. Do not stop after the first answer. Ask follow up questions. Request more details. Request examples. Good conversations often produce the best results. There is no perfect prompt. Prompt writing is a skill that improves with practice. The more you experiment, the better results you will achieve. Today we'll learn 10 simple ways to write better prompts. These simple techniques can help you get much better results from ChatGPT, Meta AI, Google Assistant, and other AI tools. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep exploring the world of artificial intelligence. Goodbye.